Hey guys, you know what day it is. It's Tuesday and it's time for me to share some tips and tricks around your motorbike. Today I'm sharing my favorite hack around action cameras. I've been using this trick for years and it doesn't cost much money. So I bet with you have everything you need lying in your drawers. Trust me, you won't look back after trying this out. Using your action cameras with the gloves on, especially the winter gloves, is a real faff. All you need is these self-adhesive protection pack for furniture. All you do is take one of them, take it off and stick it on the button of your action camera, and voila, you have some real good grip. You can feel it with your gloves. Now a quick word of caution. These little pads, they move around quite a bit, especially when it's warm or hot outside. You will notice that. So what you can do is just stick them on with some glues. You don't need much of it. It maybe doesn't look that pretty, but it lasts. Another trick is use the bigger pads for even more feedback. Lastly, don't forget to carry some with you as spares on a longer trip, because you will lose some and you really don't want to miss them. So you have it, a simple and easy trick to make the whole experience with your action camera so much better. Until next time guys, ride safe and stay safe. Bye.